And here's another baking video by Nancy. Enjoy it. Nancy's baking again today, and it's homemade chicken pot pie. Think it's gonna be delicious. And Nancy's baking again today. She decided to make a chicken pot pie, homemade chicken pot pie. Now, I forgot to videotape her putting it together, but it's got the common vegetables. One of the things she put in there that I don't know is called for, Nancy put a little spinach in there, and to make it a little healthier. That's what it looks like. It's will go in the oven here shortly, and I'll get a picture of it when it comes out. What's it being preheated to, baby? What are you preheating it at to? 375. It's preheating to 375.
The pictures I sent you.
This is what's left over. That's the ingredients inside. And she has enough to make another pie later. And when she makes that one, I will, when she puts it together, I'll do a little bit more. Anyway, that's Nancy's baking, and we'll see the results when it comes out of the oven. Out. Is it going to be good? Okay, Nancy's taking it out. Been in there about 45 minutes. Oh, it's nice. All right. It's got to cool. And then later on we'll cut it, and I'll get some video of it on our plates and see what it looks like. What are y'all waiting for? Yeah, we know it smells good. What do y'all want? Are y'all going to go get a squirrel? Huh? Who's going to get a squirrel? Is there a squirrel out there? Let's go get that squirrel. Get that squirrel. Get that squirrel. Let's go. All right. Okay, Nancy's getting ready to cut it, and we're going to eat. Pretty good. Okay.
I gotta get over here.
Yep. You can get it out without it falling apart. Anyway, homemade pot pie. Chicken pot pie. Okay, that's pretty good. That's good. Great. Got a lot of vegetables in it because I always like them.